In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add shapes in PowerPoint and customize them like a pro. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or business, shapes can help you design better slides, highlight key information, and make your content more visually engaging. I'll walk you step by step through inserting shapes, formatting them, adding text inside them, and adjusting their size and position. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint. You can use the desktop version or PowerPoint online through your browser. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to add a shape. Next, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the elements you can add to your slide, including images, text boxes, charts, and of course, shapes. Now click on Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear showing a wide variety of shape options. You'll see lines, rectangles, circles, arrows, flowchart symbols, stars, and many more. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the shape that best fits your design. Once you've selected a shape, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on the slide to draw the shape. Hold and drag to adjust the size as you place it. When you release your mouse, the shape will appear on your slide. If you want to customize the shape, right-click on it. You'll see several formatting options. You can also use the Shape Format tab that appears at the top when the shape is selected. Click on Shape Styles to quickly apply preset designs. These styles combine fill colors, outlines, and effects to instantly improve the appearance of your shape. If you want more control, click on Shape Fill. From here, you can change the color of the inside of the shape. Choose a theme color, a standard color, or even create a custom color. You can also use gradients or pictures as fills if you want a more advanced look. Next, click on Shape Outline. This allows you to change the border color of the shape. You can also adjust the thickness of the outline or make it dashed if needed. To manage positioning, click on Arrange in the toolbar. This is especially useful if you have multiple shapes or objects on the same slide. You can bring a shape forward, send it backward, align it, or distribute multiple objects evenly. If you want to add text inside your shape, go back to Insert and click on Text Box. Draw the text box inside the shape and type your content. Alternatively, you can simply click directly on many shapes and start typing right away. After adding text, you can format it using the Home tab. Change the font, size, color, alignment, and more to match your presentation style. If you need to adjust the exact size of your shape, click on the shape and go to the Shape Format tab. Look for the width and height options. You can manually enter specific measurements to make your design precise and consistent. You can also click and drag the corner handles of the shape to resize it visually. Use the side handles to adjust width or height independently. That's it. You now know how to add shapes in PowerPoint, customize their fill and outline, arrange them properly, insert text, and adjust their exact dimensions. Shapes are a simple but powerful way to make your slides look more professional and organized. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.